The biggest AI companies won't stop competing to see who can release the most powerful video AI. But most of the time, if you don't have the money to pay for the newest models, all that progress doesn't really help you. That's why One AI has been working quietly in the background for months, so that today, you and I can follow a few steps and get access to a video and image AI completely free and unlimited. And we're not just going to see how to get it. I'm going to show you 4 use cases so you can squeeze 100% out of it. Let's get into it. The tool we're going to use is the C-Dance 1.5 Pro video model. With it, you can generate all kinds of videos, even with sound added, which is perfect for creating eye-catching content in both horizontal and vertical formats. But don't think it's only for that, because it has a lot more uses. And it's important that you follow the next steps exactly so you can use it with no limits. Alright, first we are going to access the AI website. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to get it. Once you're on the homepage, it's really important you do this. You need a VPN to use this AI for free. In your country, it might not be necessary, so keep watching and test it. But I use NordVPN. I'll leave my link in the description if you want the same one. But you can use any free VPN. The key is to set your location to Indonesia or any Asian country, because in those regions, this AI is 100% free. Once you do that, we go back to the page and we'll have free access to all its features. In a minute, I'll show you how to use it unlimited. First, click sign up. You can create an account or sign in with Google. Confirm you're human and you don't need to fill out this form. Click the button at the top left, and in this section, click Start for free. Inside, you'll see several models you can use, but the one we want is C-Dance 1.5. Click it, and in the next menu, click Start for free. Now, click the button on the top right that says Gallery, and we're in. You'll see there's a token section, but don't worry, because in a moment, I'm going to show you how to use this AI unlimited. To generate videos, you just set the ratio depending on whether you want horizontal or vertical. Choose the resolution and choose how many seconds you want the video to last. I recommend leaving videos per generation at 1 in case you want to tweak the prompt after seeing the first result. Hit generate and look at the video it creates. Top tier motion and audio quality. Now, you might have noticed there's a pretty annoying watermark. I'll show you how to remove it. Click configure and disable watermarks. Alright, but generating high quality videos is useless if you don't know how to take advantage of them. So, let's go to the first use case. Creating ads for brands with a single prompt. Wherever you live, there are people around you selling something. Food, a product, a service. What if I show you a method where with just one photo of what they are selling and the right prompt, you can create a video they can use to promote it. And this doesn't cost you anything. You just need to follow these steps. Let's start with a store. Imagine they're selling perfumes. We upload a photo of that perfume to C-Dance. Now, we set the video that's set the way we want, in this case, vertical, so we can post the ad on social media and get more reach. And hit create. In a few seconds, the video is done. As you can see, it keeps both the look and the text from the image we uploaded. And it also adds natural professional audio. Now, let's go with something even more common. If we want to sell something ourselves and we want to make a simple product video that gets more attention, we upload a photo of some headphones and ask for an unboxing video. We set it to horizontal so we can upload it to YouTube. And look at the result. Both the motion and the audio never break or look weird. This idea is going to be useful to you, and I'm sure you know a place that sells food. Anything. Let's create them a video so people see their food in a more attractive way and they get more customers. We upload a photo of their dish and ask it to turn it into a video. We can ask for more seconds, and here we go. A shot that not only adds camera movement and sound, but also brings the photo to life, so it looks like real video. And all of this without sending products to a professional studio. We only need a photo and a prompt, so you don't have to write them yourself. Now, if you've already run out of tokens, in 1 second, I'll show you how to get more. Because if you look at the Models tab, you can select the next model in the list, and you'll have tokens again to keep creating content. Each model behaves differently, and you'll get a full token amount again for each one. But if you only want to use C-Dance 1.5 Pro, don't worry, because I also have a method to get infinite uses of each model. And we're going to use that as we move into the second use case, generating dynamic clips to add to your content. We already have a lot of videos on the channel talking about this, but here's the quick version. One of the most powerful skills you can learn this year if you want to succeed is how to make good YouTube videos. And one of the best performing types of channels without showing your face and without knowing how to edit are channels that tell stories, share opinions, or explain interesting facts using an AI voice and background clips. There are hundreds of examples pulling millions of views. So, I'm going to show you how this tool can also create those clips people will watch while listening to your video. They have to be eye-catching. So, we'll use different prompts to generate different styles, like lo-fi clips for calmer videos, or more dynamic clips for mystery stories or more intense content. Now, quick reminder, if you switch models, you need to disable watermarks again. And if you don't want to keep switching models, here's the trick to get infinite video generations on every model, including the most powerful one. Log out of the account we made at the start. Go back to the main menu and log in with a completely different account. Now, go back to the model section and you'll see all the tokens are back to max for every model again. You can generate all the videos you need. And when you run out again, repeat the same process. Make another account and you've got infinite credits. Alright, third use case, generating videos to support your content. This doesn't sound like a big deal, but if you have a channel or you have to do presentations at work or in school, you need visual references that match what you're saying. If you talk for too long with the same background, people get bored and stop paying attention. But if we add video clips related to what we're talking about, like YouTube buttons, comparisons for presentations, charts, you only need a prompt and you'll have exactly what you need. And the fourth use case is image generation. To do that, we just clicked image generation. You can use it to create sharp content that you can later turn into video like we did before, or another really interesting feature, creating comics and books. Just select the option you need and paste the prompt. Remember to enable no watermark. You'll see the results and the way they are displayed are extremely high quality. You can generate all kinds of images, eye-catching thumbnails, product photos that look way more professional, and 100 other things. Thanks a lot for watching.